Today, June 8th, 2025, we released a major upgrade to TalkTablet Pro, and it has to do with the voices that you're going to be using in TalkTablet Pro for your communication and speech needs. And they are the Apple Siri premium voices in every language and every dialect around the world, male, female, adult, child, they're all in here. And it's all part of TalkTablet now. And that's easy, and it's already there for you beginning today. So if you're in TalkTablet as of today and you go into settings, and or your voice doesn't sound the same when you use TalkTablet today, go into settings, go into speech settings, and you'll see that there it looks completely different. There are a lot of new voices. These are all Siri voices from within the Apple operating system that you're free to use, including adjusting speed, pitch, and volume. Now, these voices you see in here, you can add to them or you can use different ones. And let me show you how you do that. In fact, there's a step you need to do first before you go into TalkTablet speech settings and choose your voice. You want to go through the voices that are available, try some out and see which ones sound best to you, and then have them added to TalkTablet. And to do that, you start in the Apple settings. So if I go into your Apple settings for your iPad or your iPhone, on the left side, just scroll down to the word accessibility, or on the iPhone, just scroll down to see accessibility, touch on that. On the right side, you want to touch in the middle here, right beside accessibility now, spoken content. Next thing you know, you want to touch on voices right here. Here's all the different languages that Siri Apple voices are available in, and each one has multiple voices. We're going to go up to the very top and touch on English. And at the very top where it says voice, we'll touch there one more time. These are all the voices that are included right now just for English. It's incredible. And by the way, the ones that say enhanced or premium, those ones sound especially human-like, because to be honest, all of these are created from real humans recording speech, and the voice synthesizer is created from that. So it's not really synthetic anymore. It's actually based on real human speech. There's a play button beside every one of the voices if you want to hear what they sound. I'll touch here on Allison Enhanced.
Hello, my name is Allison. I'm an American English voice.
I'll touch on Evan Enhanced.
Hello, my name is Evan. I am an American English voice.
Joel Enhanced.
Hello, my name is Joelle. I am an American English voice.
That voice is especially good because it can be used for male and female children and boys and girls, because you can alter the speed and pitch too to make it even sound more closely like a child or your specific child. There's other ones that are like that. This is
Hello, my name is Noelle. I am an American English voice.
Again, an excellent male or female, or boy or girl voice. Use that as well. So as you hit play beside all these different voices, you can see which one you want. Now, Samantha Enhanced.
Hello, my name is Samantha. I am an American English voice.
Well, let's actually try. Okay, so if you want one of these voices, if it has a cloud to the right with a down arrow, you need to touch on that and download it before you can use that voice. So I just touched on it. Now it's downloading the Samantha voice. There's no charge for any of these. These are all available to you right now, and they're free. But what I'd like to do, I think I downloaded Noelle earlier, and I think it's a great voice to use as an example for children, because that's normally a very difficult thing to do, but not with these voices, because they are created from real human children voices. So that's what makes them great. Let's hear it one more time.
Hello, my name is Noelle. I am an American English voice.
Okay, so as long as there's no cloud beside it, because this one's been downloaded already, I just need to touch on it. Noelle Enhanced. You'll see at the top it says Noelle Enhanced. Now there's speed and pitch and so on here as well. You can mess with that. You could lower the pitch if you wanted it to sound like more of a boy than a girl.
Hello, my name is Noelle. Hello, my name is Noelle.
Or you can bring it up.
Hello, my name is Noelle.
Let's just leave it like that for now, and we're finished. Let's go into TalkTablet Pro. Now we go into settings, and here's installed voices. And if I scroll down now, there is Noelle.
This is a test.
Just like that. There's all the voices that we saw on the other side, but now they're showing up in TalkTablet. If they won't show up here unless they've been downloaded, but once they're downloaded from the Apple settings, they show up here.
This is a test.
If you go to the very bottom, you can also adjust the speed, pitch, and volume right from here, and that's how you can alter voices to make them sound more lifelike or more like the person you intend them to be using for, or for children especially. Okay, we've done it. Let's go back to right back to the TalkTablet. Let's try it out.
I want to. Eat. Pancakes. I want to eat pancakes.
There you go. It's that simple. And all those voices are available to you as of today, June 8th, 2025. I hope you enjoy them. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to contact us through the website at usaspeechtablets.com. And once again, thank you for your support of TalkTablet Pro, our software that we've had out for 13 years, I think now. And just again, we really appreciate you using it, and I hope you enjoy the new voices. Have a great week.